Hello, welcome again to this channel. If you're new to this channel, check out our videos. You're welcome. This is a automotive and travel channel, and you're welcome to check out all our other videos. We talk about autos, auto mechanics, cars, anything auto related, and we also do travel videos. You're welcome to our channels, and we welcome you here anytime. Okay, so this video here is gonna be a very short video, and this video we are talking about these exhaust pipes. These are exhaust pipes for your car. If you look it up, the part number here, you can see the part number is right here, is 548764, and it's an elbow for your exhaust system. It's very important to understand your exhaust system, because if you look at your vehicle from the front, from the air intake and all the way down there to the exhaust, where in basic language, where the smoke comes from in the back of your car, you need to have a good system, because even when you go and fail your vehicle inspections, it's mostly because of your emissions and exhaust system. So this elbow connects to the exhaust pipe right there under your vehicle, and I want you to learn about this. The reason we made this video is because of this is a universal. This pipe here is universal. Here, this is universal. You can see it's called 45-inch elbow. You can see it's 2 to a quarter, 2 to a half, 2 to a quarter, ID by 2 to a quarter. You can see what it says here. It's very important for it to be an elbow like that, like 45 degrees or 45-inch like that, so the smoke can go smoothly out of the vehicle. And to be honest, if you have a vehicle that's older than 10 to 15 to 20 years, you just need to put this elbow in your exhaust system, because what you find out mostly, because of weather conditions, your spark plugs in your vehicle, a lot of issues related to how the smoke is being released for your vehicle, this what they call the emissions. You find out that these pieces get very hot. It gets very hot. So if you keep track of this, you can always change. You can always change your system, your exhaust system, by just replacing this small part here. You can see it. The part number, I'll give you the part number. The part number is here. Look it up. It's 548784. That's the part number right here. Look it up. And this one is universal, 45 degrees elbow. When they say 45, it's because of this curve here. And you can go and get this, and it will change the way the amount of gas your car uses, the fuel consumption. It can change that, and it can also change how your vehicle breathes. because remember, the car needs to breathe all the time. Don't just be driving your car just like that without listening to how your car is breathing. If your car is not breathing right, it's because of the exhaust system. So go ahead and look into this. You need someone who knows how to do welding and go in there and cut your exhaust pipe there a little and put this elbow right there. So you have to be smart about this. Look into it. It's a good change to your vehicle and good change to your gas consumption, and also you'll feel your car, even the gas pedal gets lighter, so it's not a big stress. Also, if you can see here, we are dealing with tires, and I'll tell you something about tires. Always check the ear of the tires. It's right there. It's noted on the tires. Check the ears. When you're buying tires, ask the person who is selling it to you the tires, how old are these tires? Show me by looking at the tire numbers. You can tell how old or new your tires are. If you go to one of our other videos, you will see, we're gonna link it here in the channel. You'll see how to know the year the tire was made and the month. Those are very important, to know the year and the month the tire was made. And I'm also gonna, before I sign off, I'll tell you one thing to remember all the time. Your gas consumption in your car is very important, because that's what decides how much money you spend in a day, in a month, in a week. How much money you spend on gas to drive your car. Is very careful. By checking your vehicle maintenance. Maintain your vehicle, you'll have no problems. Good tires, good brakes, and check your fluids all the time. Check all your fluids. Check your oil, check your transmission, check your coolant, check your power steering. When you keep top notch checking this stuff, you'll never have any car issues all the time. So thank you for watching this video. If you have a question, ask there in the comment section. If you have a comment, leave it in the comment section. And remember, your exhaust system is how your vehicle breathes. So if you have any question, ask us and we'll respond. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye.